There's a fountain there. Nice. My room is way down in the corner down there. It's a very nice hotel here. I have to put the name down at the bottom or in the textual description, because you got a nice restaurant here. And if you come over here, my room is way down at the end. Down at the other end down there in the corner. It's very nice. They got a lot of rooms here. It's very pleasant outside here. They got rooms in there. We're going to go in, take a look at the restaurant here. Got some little seats outside. You want to park yourself out here. You want to come in here and have a little cordial. You come in here and they got the dining room in here. Big nice dining room, double fireplace, and all kind of vinos here too. All kind of vinos. They got their own vineyard here. There's a little music in the background here. So different things you can get. They got the bar here, of course. You want to sit here, have a nice drink. You got your TV over there, and you got your friendly bartender and whatnot. So it's a very nice place.
Which is fine.
There's a church bell up there. Oh. I guess that's it. 4:30, 16:30. Well, here's the church here. This is our wine tasting group. We're coming to take a look at it here. So yeah, we come back. We got a couple graves here. A little statue of something here. For somebody here. Yeah, okay. There's a church down there.